Welcome back to Mycology Exploration. We're here at the sink, and there's been so many questions about this whole soaking and how many soaks. And there's this process of draining out the water between. So when we talk about either 2 5-minute boils, or we talk about allowing your birdseed, your WBS, your grain to grow mushrooms, to soak for 3 hours. So we suggest, again, that when you're preparing the birdseed, that you can absolutely use tap water when you're first rinsing the birdseed right out of the bag. So we actually take the sprayer and we spray it really, really well right here, just like this. And then we soak it for 3 hours. However, we change out the water 3 times over 3 hours. Or if you're doing the 5-minute boil technique, the really fast on your stovetop, 2 5-minute boils, what we're saying is in between those 5-minute boils, you're going to strain the water out, drain the water, and put fresh water in. And by fresh water, we're talking about purified water, clean water. There has been such a difference with many of you from no longer using the tap when growing mushrooms. Clean water. So what we're talking about is in between the soaking or the boil, you're going to strain out all the water, just like this. And then you'll return all your birdseed back and put fresh water in. So if you're doing the 2 5-minute boils, you'll strain and drain in between. If you're doing the 3-hour soak, we recommend draining, straining 3 times, filling it up 3 times with fresh water. And again, both ways you're wanting to really stir, stir, stir. So from here, either way, we're going to go straight to paper towels or a towel on the counter, just like this. So we have a towel and we have paper towels. Now, these are going to get pressure cooked. How long do we pressure cook the WBS? An hour and a half at 15 psi, and we'll be filling it up right here to the 12. So we will pour the birdseed here and then spoon it immediately into our jars. We will put our tops, our lids on, and we will put foil on top because our tops are modded tops that have air exchange, and then also for syringe access, because we'll be putting in slurry and LC to this birdseed, this WBS. We hope that answers your questions, and we'll see you in the next one.